Wall germander, a fragrant and fuss-free addition to your garden. As a plant enthusiast, I'm always on the lookout for new additions that bring both beauty and ease to my garden. That's how I stumbled upon Teucrium Chamaedrys, also known as wall germander. This little gem has quickly become a favorite, and I'm here to share its charm with you. See more 341 species in genus Teucrium at monsteraholic.com. Teucrium Chamaedrys is a low-growing evergreen perennial that hails from the Mediterranean region. Don't let its diminutive size fool you, though. Wall germander packs a punch with its glossy, aromatic leaves and delicate summer blooms. The combination of its neat, compact form and subtle fragrance makes it a versatile choice for any garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, Teucrium Chamaedrys is a fantastic option. Here's a closer look at this easy-to-care-for plant, including tips on planting, pruning, and incorporating it into your garden design. What to plant with Teucrium Chamaedrys? Wall germander's adaptability makes it a great companion for a variety of plants. Here are a few ideas to inspire you. For a burst of color, combine Teucrium Chamaedrys with vibrant flowering perennials like lavender, catmint, or daylilies. The contrast between the green foliage and colorful blooms will create a stunning display. For a touch of texture, pair wall germander with ornamental grasses like feather reed grass or blue fescue. The contrasting textures will add visual interest to your garden beds. For a Mediterranean theme, recreate the charm of the Mediterranean with a combination of Teucrium Chamaedrys, rosemary, santolina, and thyme. These drought-tolerant plants will thrive together and evoke the feel of a sun-drenched European landscape. How to plant Teucrium Chamaedrys? Planting Teucrium Chamaedrys is a breeze. Here's what you need to know. Location: wall germander thrives in full sun, so choose a spot in your garden that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Soil: while Teucrium Chamaedrys is adaptable, it prefers well-drained soil. If your soil tends to be on the heavy side, amend it with sand or compost to improve drainage. Planting: dig a hole slightly larger than the plant's root ball. Gently remove the plant from its container and loosen the roots slightly. Place it in the hole and backfill with soil, tamping gently to remove air pockets. Water thoroughly after planting. How to care for Teucrium Chamaedrys? Once established, Teucrium Chamaedrys requires minimal care. Here are a few key points. Watering: water regularly, especially during the first growing season, but allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Once mature, Teucrium Chamaedrys is quite drought-tolerant. Fertilizing: while not essential, a light application of a balanced fertilizer in early spring can encourage healthy growth. Mulching: apply a layer of mulch around the base of the plant to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. How to prune Teucrium Chamaedrys? Pruning Teucrium Chamaedrys is not strictly necessary, but it can help maintain its shape and encourage bushier growth. Here's how to prune. Prune lightly after flowering in late summer or early fall. Simply remove spent flowers and trim back any leggy or overgrown stems. You can also give the plant a light haircut in early spring to encourage fresh growth. Additional tips. Teucrium Chamaedrys is generally pest and disease resistant. However, keep an eye out for aphids or mealybugs. If you notice any infestation, treat the plant with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Wall germander is relatively low maintenance, but it can benefit from occasional deadheading, removing spent flowers, to promote continued blooming. Teucrium Chamaedrys is winter hardy in most zones. However, in colder climates, you may want to provide some winter protection, especially for young plants. A layer of mulch around the base of the plant will help insulate the roots. With its attractive foliage, fragrant blooms, and low maintenance needs, Teucrium Chamaedrys is a valuable addition to any garden. So why not give this little charmer a try and add a touch of Mediterranean magic to your landscape?